Hi, we're working up here at a senior community village. It's called Berkeley Square in Hamilton, Ohio, and they just received their Christmas tree package, and it's so pretty outside. We're going to just unpack it out here. So it comes in a nice box like this. They're very excited, and I'll show you what's in the box. As you can see, this is our red and white Christmas tree. And we have different components, and everything is packaged. 2 bolts of ribbon, these pretty little white pieces. I'll show you, they're really cool when they're on the tree. Different ornaments, all packaged in bubble wrap. It's high quality product. In here, there's more. I haven't unpacked it yet. And then all these pieces here. So our Christmas tree packages are $9.99. This is the red and white one. So hang loose and I'll show you how pretty it looks all put together. So I worked on this tree, and this is our package. It's $9.99, our red and white. It's a 7.5 foot tree. And so you can even buy a package and add to what you already have. As you can see, it's got a lot of different ornaments. These are glass ornaments. They're well packaged. When you get those, save those little boxes and put them away when you're done. I think it's very pretty. Sacksteder's interiors, Christmas tree packages. Again, we do this for people in their homes. We're at a senior community. And now these women would be able to buy these packages from us. We'll put them together, or they can do it themselves. So give it some thought. We have a lot for you to see. Check out our website. Ho, ho, ho.